Welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, and today I want to show you how to change gas pressure. We are working on a Goodman, and it's the winter season, so we have the heat on here as you guys can see. But we're also doing a combustion test, and as we realize, we have on our O2 is only 4.2. I don't know if you guys can see that, but our stack temperature is only 1 to 2. We need that to get higher, so we're saying that this is under fire. So we're gonna go back and actually turn that gas pressure down a little bit. Alright guys, so I want to show you how we take this. We're gonna take this off and how we're gonna change the gas pressure. And then we should see some of our temperature rise. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this small screwdriver here and I'm gonna just take this cover off here. Sometimes those screws can be pretty hot, so you gotta put a little pressure on it. You can see it's gonna come right out. And then you could actually go up with that if you need to increase or decrease, but now it's really telling me that I have too much gas. So we're gonna try to kind of bring back the gas a little bit more. You can just put a screwdriver in here. There's a little groove in here, and you're gonna turn. So once you got a feel for the groove, so once you get the groove in here, you're gonna just turn it back down. Alright guys, so that's exactly how you adjust your gas pressure. You can go up or down. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how you change gas pressures to increase your fire or decrease your flame, how hot it will be. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.